Buckle up for a lightning round of intriguing facts about men. Did you know that men's brains are about 6% larger than women's? However, size doesn't equate to intelligence, as both genders have equal IQ levels. Speaking of brains, men tend to use one side at a time, focusing on specific tasks. On a lighter note, men are generally more ticklish than women, particularly around the abdomen. Ever wondered why men's skin seems more resilient? It's because it's about 25% thicker than women's, helping it resist wrinkles longer. Finally, testosterone makes men more prone to hiccups. So next time you see a man hiccuping, you know why. There's a world of fascinating nuggets about men. Stay tuned for more.